Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers, inshallah, tomorrow there will be a very important event on unity.
I am excited to invite you to join this great community program, putting unity into the community.
This is in collaboration with Youth of the Ummah, Al-Falaq Dawah Project and Sama Academy.
It's a great opportunity to strengthen our bonds and get involved.
There's going to be interesting discussions, fun activities, and most importantly, delicious food.
Save the date, Saturday, 30th December 2023 at
Salatul Isha, 7:15.
in the Roman Road Masjid.
So inshallah, hope to see everyone. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Can't wait to see you all there. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
حياكم الله يا هلا ومسهلا.